Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Here in Part 2 we continue to explore the differences between automatic and manual transmissions in detail. Let's continue our exploration. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Pros and cons of automatic transmissions. Automatic transmissions have become increasingly popular in the automotive industry, providing a convenient and effortless driving experience for many motorists. However, like any technology, they come with their own set of advantages and disadvantages. In this section, we will explore both sides to help you make an informed decision when choosing between an automatic and manual transmission for your vehicle. Advantages of automatic transmissions. 1. Ease of use. One of the primary benefits of automatic transmissions is their user-friendly nature. Unlike manual transmissions that require manual gear shifting, automatic transmissions do the work for you. This makes driving in heavy traffic or on hilly terrains much more convenient, as you don't have to continuously engage the clutch and shift gears. Smoother and more comfortable ride. With an automatic transmission, gear changes are seamless and effortless, providing a smoother driving experience. The absence of jerks and the constant need to engage the clutch make automatic transmissions ideal for city driving or long highway journeys. Reduced driver fatigue. By eliminating the need to manually shift gears, automatic transmissions allow drivers to focus more on the road and less on gear changes. This can help reduce driver fatigue, especially during long drives or in stop-and-go traffic situations. Improved fuel efficiency. Modern automatic transmissions have advanced technology that optimizes gear shifts for maximum fuel efficiency. They can adapt to driving conditions and shift gears at the most appropriate times, resulting in better fuel economy compared to some manual transmissions. Disadvantages of automatic transmissions. Higher cost. Automatic transmissions typically come at a higher price point than their manual counterparts. When purchasing a vehicle, opting for an automatic transmission can add to the overall cost. Additionally, if repairs or maintenance are needed, automatic transmissions can be more expensive to service. Less control. Some driving enthusiasts argue that manual transmissions offer a higher level of control over the vehicle. With a manual transmission, drivers have the ability to select the precise gear they want, allowing for a more engaging and interactive driving experience. Automatic transmissions, on the other hand, remove some of that control by making gear changes on their own. Potential for less power. In certain situations, particularly during high-performance driving or towing heavy loads, manual transmissions can offer more power and torque. This is because manual transmissions allow drivers to keep the engine in its optimal power band. Some automatic transmissions may have a slight lag or delay when accelerating, which can impact overall performance in certain scenarios. Maintenance and repair complexity. Although automatic transmissions are designed to be reliable, they can be more complex to maintain and repair compared to manual transmissions. If an issue arises, specialized technical knowledge and equipment may be required, potentially leading to higher maintenance costs. When considering whether an automatic transmission is right for you, it's essential to weigh these pros and cons against your personal preferences, driving needs, and budget. While automatic transmissions offer convenience and a smooth ride, manual transmissions provide more control and may be preferred by driving enthusiasts. Ultimately, the decision should align with your driving style and priorities. Pros and cons of manual transmissions. Manual transmissions, also known as stick shifts, have been a popular choice for car enthusiasts for many years. While automatic transmissions have become more prevalent in recent times, manual transmissions still have their unique advantages. In this section, we will explore the advantages and disadvantages of manual transmissions. Advantages of manual transmissions. Control and engagement. One of the main advantages of driving a car with a manual transmission is the increased level of control and engagement it provides. With a manual transmission, the driver has complete control over gear selection, allowing for a more personalized driving experience. Shifting gears manually can be enjoyable, giving the driver a sense of connection and involvement with the vehicle. Fuel efficiency. Manual transmissions can often offer better fuel efficiency compared to their automatic counterparts. This is primarily due to the ability to optimize gear shifts based on driving conditions. Skilled manual transmission drivers have the advantage of anticipating gear changes and can better adapt to the terrain, resulting in improved fuel economy. Lower maintenance costs. Manual transmissions are generally simpler in design, comprising fewer parts compared to automatic transmissions. As a result, they tend to have lower maintenance costs and are less prone to mechanical failures. Furthermore, if a specific component of the manual transmission needs repair, it is often easier and more cost-effective to fix or replace. Driver skill development. Learning to drive with a manual transmission requires the driver to develop a certain level of skill. Operating the clutch and shifting gears smoothly necessitates coordination and attention. Mastering these skills can increase overall driving competence and make a driver more adaptable to different vehicle types and situations. Disadvantages of manual transmissions. 1. Traffic congestion. While manual transmissions provide more control, they can be a disadvantage in heavy traffic situations. Constant clutch engagement and gear shifting can become tiring and cumbersome, especially during stop-and-go traffic. In these situations, an automatic transmission, which handles shifting gears automatically, may offer more convenience. Steep learning curve. Learning to drive a manual transmission can be challenging for some individuals. The coordination required between the clutch, accelerator, and gear shifter can be overwhelming initially. It may take time and practice to become proficient in smoothly operating a manual transmission vehicle. This learning curve might deter some individuals from choosing a manual transmission. Limited availability. The prevalence of manual transmissions has decreased over the years, especially in certain regions. Finding a new car with a manual transmission or even a used one with specific features and models can be more difficult. Automatic transmissions have become the norm in the automotive industry, making it harder for manual transmission enthusiasts to find their preferred vehicles. Potential for human error. Manual transmissions are reliant on the driver's ability to shift gears correctly and engage the clutch smoothly. Any mistakes in shifting or clutch operation can lead to loss of power, stalling, or even damage to the transmission. Automatic transmissions, on the other hand, eliminate the potential for these human errors. We have seen that manual transmissions offer increased control, fuel efficiency, and lower maintenance costs. However, they can be less convenient in heavy traffic, have a steep learning curve for some individuals, and are becoming less prevalent in the market. When deciding between a manual or automatic transmission, drivers should consider their preferences, driving conditions, and overall comfort level with manual operation. Factors to consider when choosing between automatic and manual transmissions. When it comes to choosing between an automatic and a manual transmission, there are several factors that can influence your decision. Each transmission type offers its own advantages and disadvantages, and figuring out which one suits your needs requires careful consideration. In this section, we will delve into the key factors you should take into account before making your choice. Driving experience and personal preference. One of the primary factors to consider is your driving experience and personal preference. Are you an experienced driver who enjoys the control and engagement provided by a manual transmission? Or do you prefer the convenience and ease of use offered by an automatic transmission? If you are new to driving or simply prefer a more relaxed driving experience, an automatic transmission might be the better choice for you. It eliminates the need to shift gears manually, allowing you to focus more on the road ahead. On the other hand, if you enjoy the sensation of being in complete control of your vehicle and want to have a more engaging driving experience, a manual transmission might be the way to go. Traffic conditions and commute. Another crucial factor to consider is the traffic conditions and your daily commute. If you frequently find yourself stuck in stop-and-go traffic or navigating crowded city streets, an automatic transmission can make your drive more effortless. The absence of clutch pedals and the ability of an automatic transmission to shift gears seamlessly can greatly reduce the physical and mental strain of driving in heavy traffic. However, if you primarily drive on open roads with minimal traffic congestion, a manual transmission can offer a more enjoyable driving experience. The ability to manually shift gears allows you to have more control over your vehicle's acceleration and deceleration, giving you the freedom to optimize your driving style based on the road conditions. Skill and learning curve. Consider your own skill level and willingness to learn a new skill when deciding between an automatic and a manual transmission. While driving a manual transmission can be rewarding, it does require more skill and coordination compared to an automatic. If you are confident in your ability to master the art of shifting gears and are willing to invest time and effort into learning, a manual transmission can provide a sense of accomplishment and enjoyment. However, if you prefer simplicity and don't want to deal with the learning curve, an automatic transmission can be a more practical choice. Resale value. Finally, when choosing between an automatic and a manual transmission, it's worth considering the potential impact on the resale value of your vehicle. Historically, manual transmissions have been favored by driving enthusiasts and can sometimes command a higher resale value due to their perceived desirability. However, it's essential to also consider market trends and the preferences of potential buyers in your area. In some regions, the demand for manual transmissions may be declining, and automatic transmissions are more commonly preferred. To ensure a higher resale value, it's important to research local market dynamics and consider the long-term implications of your choice. In conclusion, the decision between an automatic and a manual transmission boils down to your personal preferences, driving conditions, skill level, and resale value considerations. Assessing these factors carefully will help you make an informed decision that aligns with your needs and enhances your overall driving experience. Concluding the video, when it comes to choosing between automatic and manual transmission, both options have their pros and cons. Automatic transmissions offer convenience and ease of use, making them ideal for city driving and stop-and-go traffic. On the other hand, manual transmissions provide a more engaging driving experience and allow for better control over the vehicle. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on personal preference and driving needs. Whether you opt for the practicality of an automatic or the thrill of a manual, both transmissions can offer an enjoyable and efficient driving experience. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of automatic versus manual transmissions. If you found this information helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for more automotive insights.